Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm muffler deleting this Mercedes C240. I got tired of the car being quiet. I was like, that muffler got to come off. It's time to do some mods. It's just been sitting. I ain't been doing nothing lately, so I was like, you know what? Let me pull the muffler off. So the muffler's coming off today. In the next few days, I'm taking it to a muffler shop, get stainless steel pipe and some tips put on it, but I'm taking the muffler off myself. You know, just something to do. And it'll save me a few dollars when I go to the muffler shop. So check out the video. So far, this is all where I got. See over there, it knocked the exhaust loose. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just take the muffler off. So now I gotta find whatever bolts hold the muffler together. I gotta take it off the hangers right here. The other hanger broke. Gotta take this hanger. Where's it at? Right here. Gotta get it off this hanger. And if anything else is holding it up there, take it off, and I'm gonna just pull this whole muffler out. Let's see how this goes. All right, I had to take it out off camera because I didn't have nobody to hold the camera. But that's that. I got the muffler out of the car. So pretty much, it's just nothing from the resonator back. So that's it. There's no exhaust after the resonator. Like I said, I'm gonna go to a muffler shop in the next day or two, and I'm gonna have them put some stainless steel pipe and put some tips there. Get my screwdriver out of here. And that'll be that. Now, time to see how it sounds. Okay, now we're gonna take this for a drive. See how it sounds driving. See how this sounds. Okay, sounds okay. Right. Okay, that sounds pretty decent. Not too loud, not too quiet.